Let's start today's class with dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and kind. Recite the dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Mathematics, Class 3, Week 2, Day 3. I have already explained this topic in the previous class. Students, look at the picture. Yes, this is a picture of a school. Student, can you tell how many classes there are in your school? Yes, there are 10 classes in your school. We write the names of these classes in Roman numerals. Now, let's come to the topic. As we already studied about in our previous class, I has a value of 1. V has a value of 5. X has a value of 10. L has a value of 50. C has a value of 100. D has a value of 500. And M has a value of 1000. We need to remember 3 rules while writing. Number 1, rule of repetition. Number 2, rule of addition. Number 3, rule of subtraction. Students, you can see rule number 1, rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. M is equal to 1000 multiplied by 1 equal to 1000. MM is equal to 1000 by multiply 2 is equal to 2000. M is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Students, second is symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, Arabic number 1, I. 1 is equal to I. 2 is equal to I. 3 is equal to I. But in Roman system, we cannot write 4 as I. The symbol I, V, L and M are never repeated. For example, that we do not write the number 10 by repeated V but as X. 10 is equal to V. It is wrong. 10 is equal to X. It is right. Now, let us look at the second rule. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us consider xi is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. X has a value of 10, I has a value of 1, so that Arabic number for this Roman number is 11. Finally, we have the third rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, let us take the number xc is equal 100 minus 10 is equal 90. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Students, you can see here 95 cannot be write as 100 minus 5 is equal to VC. 95 should be written as 90 plus 5 is equal to XCV. And third, I, X and C are used to subtract. I, X and C are just used to subtract. For example, IV is equal to 5 minus 1. IX is equal to 10 minus 1. XL is equal to 50 minus 10. XC is equal to 100 minus 10. Homework of the day. Do question number 3 and 5 in book. Roll 2 dice. Dear students, in homework, look at the picture. This is the activity for you. Roll 2 dice. Write the numbers they show in the stars below. In the following boxes, write the number in Roman numerals. And next, add the two Roman numerals together. Write the answer in Roman numerals. Students, let's explore. Yes. Make a list of places where Roman numerals are used. And next, write the number 9 in Roman numeral on a piece of paper and hold it in front of a mirror. What number do you see? Repeat the above 2 steps with some more 2-digit Roman numerals. Record your finding in a T-chart. Students, I hope you have understood the topic well. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.